convert to paid subscription and your cards will be charged if you don't cancel your trial before it expires. Billing cycles for free. Trials and billing charges are based on the date and time that the subscription was activated. In Universal Time Coordinates UTC to avoid getting charged, you will need to cancel at least one day before your trial ends. You can confirm the billing date from your premium setting page if you save. Friends, what is LinkedIn? How it works? LinkedIn is an online platform that connects the world's professionals. If you want any help from LinkedIn, go to helps in help. LinkedIn. Maybe I confuse what is LinkedIn या LinkedIn. Okay. Change or add email address if you want any help. Close your account. Reset your passwords. LinkedIn public profile visibility. Cancel LinkedIn premium subscription. Apply for jobs on LinkedIn. Basics, data privacy, subscription billings. Your profiles, how to make money online from LinkedIn website. How to make money in free from LinkedIn. Connections, search and apply for jobs. Passwords, reset basics. You can reset password on the sign page. Click the forward password, enter email address or phone numbers. You have your account. If you enter email address, will send a pin. Merge or close duplicate accounts. You may discover you have more than one LinkedIn account. If you get a message that says the email address you are attempting to use is already in use, then you may have another LinkedIn account using the email. No access to email address. There are instances when you no longer use or have access to the email address used to register your LinkedIn account. Cancel LinkedIn premium subscription. You can only cancel your premium subscription from the LinkedIn. Okay, security. Footer message in LinkedIn emails. LinkedIn.